Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a clock setting or a setup of your clock on your Whirlpool Supreme Chef. This is the Supreme Chef, and this is a nice microwave oven and of course a grill. We could set the clock by pressing and holding the Stop TT button for 3 seconds. Or when the first time the appliance is plugged in, or after a power failure. The product will enter into the clock setting mode automatically. You see, that's really easy to rotate and to push the knob. And now we are going to perform this out of the running process. When we use to stop the TT button to set the clock, we press and hold the Stop TT button for approximately 3 seconds. Then the default number will be 1. We press the confirmation button to confirm the clock setting function. We rotate the knob to set the hours. We press the confirmation button. The minutes numbers will start blinking. We rotate the knob to set the minutes. And we press the confirmation button to save these settings after we finish the job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.